Alright, that's how I cook my trout when I'm out in the field. Got your trout, it's been previously cleaned. I showed you how to do. Take your fish, throw you a chunk of butter in there. Throw you a slice of lime in there. Good old lemon pepper seasoning. Sprinkle some on there. Sprinkle some inside there. And don't be afraid to not use it. The more the better. Alright, and then gonna wrap them up. So stand by. Alright, so then what we do from there, take this guy, throw him over some fire, and let him cook away. Voila. So probably about, I don't know, 6 to 8 minutes each side. And then I'll show you the finished product.